Alright, I'm trying to make this video short as possible and clear as possible. I had installed push button start, remote start alarms, PKE slip system off eBay from Easygaurd. The kit was $70. And I installed on a 1984 beer rig. I'm finna try to explain to y'all as much as possible what I did and what I got going. Right now, see I'm away from the car. You're gonna hear it beep 2 times when I get close to it. They let me know it's been unlocked. Watch this. I'm recording and popping black in one hand. Unlock. I installed door actuators too. I did them on 3 doors. I got 1 door to do. All right, the door open. I installed it. Gold billet window crank. You hear the clicking? That's the remote starter system. See, I got the wire taped up under there, tucked real nice and neat. That's it. All right, hooking this up. You're gonna have the power wire is red. You're gonna hook that up till you're hot. Black wire go to ground. The yellow wire go to, I think that's a starter wire. You hook that up to your, I think it's a purple wire. You go to 12volt.com, you'll figure out. You're gonna say a yellow starter wire from the GBody, but it's a purple wire that I found. You hook that up to that purple wire. The blue big thick wire, you can hook that up to, these are thick wire I'm talking about. You hook that up to your accessory wire. Then you're gonna have 2 more wire, a white one and a brown one. The brown one you do not have to hook up, but the white one go to your ignition switch wire. They're gonna be a pink wire. All right, them the only wire you gotta hook up for that big thick wire. Then for the small little wires that you see, the brown will go to your parking brake switch wire. It's gonna be a brown wire on your what's the name? You're gonna have a pink wire go to the negative part on the siren that you just heard. You're gonna have a green wire, you hooked it up with your white ignition wire. You're gonna have 2 white wire, one will be white and black, one will be white. If you got an aftermarket kit like I do, you hook that up to your aftermarket kit. I'm gonna explain that in a second too. Then you're gonna have a red and black wire, which is hanging. That goes to your trunk pop. I don't have that yet, so I'm hooked it up. Try and get out that light. What else you got? I think I explained all the wires. That blue wire go to your negative door trigger. I think that's all the wire. Man. But they're gonna come with instruction, man. All right, when it comes to instruction, man, read that. Please read it. You're gonna come with a black wire. Hook that up to the ground too on the little small wire. And you go to 12volt.com and you match these wires up, man. Real simple to hook up. You run your antennas. You can have that's the one for the front. You got one for the front, one for the back, and plus the antenna too. You make sure you don't put none one of them antennas on none metal or close to metal. That's why I got mine right there. And plus, you can't see them when you're in front of the car. This light, I hooked the positive wire. It's a light right here. So your foot light, you hook that up to the orange wire, and the negative hooked that up to the white wire. Then when you open and close the door, it go on and off. What else I did? I installed some strobe light, brake light. So you see that flash? So when you hit the brake, it flash. It's flashing now because of the kit. The kit do that anytime you open and close the door. All of them do it, but some reason they don't do it right. It's not doing it right now. But all of them flash when you hit the brake. I got LEDs all through this car. I got a LED tag light. I just ran the wire because I had it right here. You watch my video, you see I had 2 tag lights right there. I just cut the wires and spliced that in with the wire. I hooked up this 3rd brake light. I ordered all this shit on eBay. When I hit the brake, it flashed. Then when I go in reverse, it go blue. I got the blue, that one wire ran to the reverse wire, and I got the other wire ran to the brake wire. I can't hardly show y'all shit, edit shit, cause my phone, I don't know, man. It's something going on with that shit. But if I could find out how I'm editing this shit, when I download another editing app, I'll edit all this shit. With this kit, it comes with 4 actuators. You're gonna have a couple wires to hook up. You're gonna hook up a hot wire with the remote starter wire. You hook a ground wire, remote starter wire. You're gonna come with another black wire, brown wire, green wire, blue wire, I think a white wire. We hooked that up to the master actuator. The rest on called Slade, they're gonna have just two wires, green and blue. I got a ring right here. That's if you don't have factory electric door locks and unlock with that key. But if you do have factory, you just run the white wire and the white and black wire to your lock and unlock on the factory car. You look at 12volt.com, it'll show you everything. Instead of referencing to 12volt.com, I want y'all to go to that, bro. If my video not clear enough, you can't understand what I'm saying. I got mount the button right there. All right. When I walk away from the car, automatic lock. You got a alarm, everything. That ain't the key. They go to kick the remote. You still can unlock and lock with the remote. You hear that? Then watch this when I press the brake. Door unlock. You press the brake. Oh, you're gonna have an orange wire going to the white wire on your foot brake. The little switch. You find the white wire, hook that up. All right. Then you put the key in, turn the key so your radio should come on. But you gonna hook your ignition switch, and as soon as you press the button, the radio on there should ought to come on. But I'm leaving mine on for a security reason. So that's the button work. You know the door unlock and lock with the remote, and when you walk away from the car. This is real shit y'all wanna see. You close your door. Alright, lock. Make sure show y'all again. See? Alright, you hold down this middle button right here for about 5 to 8 seconds. Free pump came on. I'm not bullshitting. And the light gonna flash, let you know. See? Let you know the car unlocked. I mean locked. And the light's supposed to flash. Go watch this. When I cut it off, you'll see that tag right. And then automatic unlock. And you cut it off. That's the update I have for now. I'm finna hook up some gold horns inside my grill. I'm gonna do that. And I can feel that back door over there too. Suspension. I'm gonna do another video on that. I got all new everything up under here. When I say everything new from the bottom end. I got lift cups, lift shocks. I ordered all this shit on eBay from Universal Car Lift. I'm getting ready to put 26s on it. And my partner just ain't got finished. I got a lot of shit going on right now. Got new everything. I got lift cup for the front, lift cup for the back, and extended shocks for the front and back. I got control on, my everything. I undercoated the car. Look at my extended shocks, my lift cups right there for the back. And then my shit with the brakes and shit. Electric fan. I got a whole lot of shit come for the car, man. But yeah, I'm finna in the video. You see, door unlocked, right? Key in my hand. You're gonna hear it chirp one time, make it sure, let you know it's locked. Alright. Tell me what y'all think. And I am finna put 26. I had 24s on, I sold the fold, it was sitting like that. So, going 26.